My name's Peter Kenny and I'm the owner of Bellarine Estate.
Oh, geez, this is beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, it's a lovely spot, isn't it? For land to grow grapes on, this is a real rare spot and it shows up in our wines.
So obviously COVID was quite a hard year last year. How did you modify your business to survive the COVID-19 lockdown?
And my son James came up with this idea that we should be able to do online wine tastings via Zoom. That just took off and kind of went viral, as things do a little bit on the internet. We had wine going all over the country.
But at least you learn about your own country, don't you?
You do, and you learn about places you didn't even know about. You start sending wine to places you didn't even know that existed. You got into the lounge rooms of people in Melbourne who were doing it a little bit tough, couldn't get out. What we found, it started to become groups where someone had decided, well, it's a 50th birthday and we can't all get together, so we'll do a Zoom wine tasting. And we had wine going all over the country.
Mate, well done. I mean, business is a partnership with everybody in our country, and probably more than ever before have we seen that.
We'd just like to say a massive thank you to businesses like you that have strived during COVID and helped to make the lockdown so much better for a lot of people, especially in Melbourne. So thank you very much.
I'd actually say thank you to Melbourne and to the rest of Australia for supporting the local product. It's super important to buy local, buy Australian, and that's what keeps us all going, and that's what will pull us out the other end.